Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name on your PC with the latest update. If you've been wondering how to update your page's identity quickly and easily, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on your home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access your pages. Next, select the page you want to rename. When your page loads, click on the page's profile photo. This will bring up a menu with various options related to your page. Now, scroll down and find the Settings and Privacy option, then click on Settings. This section is where you manage all the important details of your page. Inside the Settings menu, look for Page Setup on the left-hand side and click on it. Here, you'll see the option labeled Name. This is where you can change your page's name. Click on the Edit button next to the current name. A text box will appear, allowing you to type in your new page name. Make sure your new name follows Facebook's guidelines and accurately represents your page. After typing in your new name, click on Review Change. Facebook will ask you to enter your password to confirm the update. This step ensures that only authorized users can make changes to the page. Once you've entered your password, click on Request Change. Your page name change request will be submitted to Facebook for review. Usually, it takes a little time for Facebook to approve the new name, so be patient. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a request to change your Facebook page name using the new update on your PC. Remember, keeping your page name relevant and up to date helps your audience find you easily and keeps your brand consistent. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your page update. Don't forget to check back on your page status to see when the change has been approved.